Hello Willow class, I hope you're all okay and still enjoying our pirate topic. Today I have a very simple pirate activity for us to try to make at home. We are going to make a parrot because every pirate needs a parrot. It's very simple to make and we don't need lots of equipment either, so everything we should really you should find at home. The first thing we need to do is to have a piece of paper about this size. The other things we will need is some tissue paper, some scissors and some sellotape. Our first job to make our parrot is to draw an outline of a parrot on a piece of paper. I've just done a simple shape like this and put a beak on him. Our next job is to colour him in. Now we can use felt tips, crayons, if you've got any paints at home. You can make him as sparkly and as colourful as you wish, but that's our next job. So once I've chose to paint my parrot in this greeny colour, so once I painted him, I let it dry and then I carefully cut round the eye line of it. So this is what I've got now. This is our parrot. Our parrot now needs some feathers, and to do this we could use, it's up to you what you want to use. I chose to use some tissue paper, what I had around the house. If you've got feathers, that's great. Any material, it's up to you what you need to do. So for me, all I did with my tissue paper was carefully cut some small bits of the tissue paper and attached it to my parrot. So that's what I'm going to do next. So here's my parrot and I'm going to attach his feathers just about here. But a parrot also needs a tail. So again, using my tissue paper, I'm just going to attach his tail to my parrot. So now he's looking a little bit more like a parrot. Now he needs something to sit on. So what I did with it, I've just found a little perch for him to sit on so that he can stand up. So I'm just now going to attach my parrot to the perch. And there is my very, very simple parrot to go with our pirates. Now, see if you can have a go, and please send us the pictures of whatever you make. We'd really like to see them. Bye.